Everybody, it's cruise day.
Yay.
We're leaving the house right now, headed down to Galveston. We're
packed, ready to go.
And we're volunteers.
Volunteers of the Seas.
Volunteers of the Seas. So it's going to be a 4-night cruise to Galveston. I'm sorry, it's a 4-night cruise out of Galveston. I haven't had anything to drink yet. Going to Cozumel. So come along. We're going to show you how to get on during this test cruise and all the protocols, and we'll have more for you with that here in a little bit.
I turn off.
Hit the button up to the top.
It's VR. There we go.
Made it.
Let's go.
First stop in the check-in process was a wellness screening we had to follow at the check-in park. After you get through the line, you go and they check your vaccination, and then they make sure you're not on the non-vax list. And if you are deemed vaccinated on this test cruise, you are awarded a purple bracelet. We weren't allowed to video in the security area, but once you get through security and they scan all your bags, including your carry-on luggage here, because we could not, they didn't have the porters for us, you go towards the check-in area, the check-in desk. We are vaccinated.
Yay!
Team Purple.
Yep.
We got our
Team Purple.
We got our through the security, and deemed us as vaccinated on this ship, so no special things for us.
Woohoo!
Welcome to Royal.
How you doing? Purple.
Okay, she'll take care of you right over.
Check-in is complete. We are ready to head to the ship. Now this is where we walk and go up the stairs to proceed to the gangway so that we can board the Independence of the Seas. Good morning. How are you doing?
Good, great. And a wristband goes right to those double doors.
Through the double doors. All right.
Welcome, folks.
How you doing?
Enjoy your cruise.
Thank you.
Right this way.
There is absolutely nobody here.
Nope.
Nobody here.
It's all right. We're here.
This is great.
Good morning.
You're here though. Woohoo!
Have a great trip.
Morning. Yes. There you go.
You're famous.
You're Shaka.
Oh, there you go.
Go ahead, show me how to ride.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Hello. Pleasure.
Bye-bye.
See y'all.
Hello. Thank
Hello.
you.
Woo, there's the crew. What's up, guys?
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Thank you. Good morning.
Easiest check-in ever.
That was fantastic.
Ever. Put your mask on. You're gonna go to jail. Hey guys.
Hey there. You'll have a good trip.
There she is. Hey. What's up? We're back.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Oh, that sound. That sound is so good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your vacation. While you're exploring the ship, we'd like to remind you about the mandatory guest safety briefing procedure. We would
Happy parang si Walid kahapon. Good afternoon. Good morning. Hello. Thank you.
All right, honey. When the winter chicken dinner, open it up.
Hello, I know you too. Oh, yes, yes.
Where you work?
Huh? No, it's something now. I just exercise.
Alright.
Yeah. I will cheeky Dolores anytime. Big trouble. Keep short, no chance, man.
Hello.
Hi, Maria. She's showing us stuff.
May
What you
I stay
got?
out? May I stay so you can stay a little bit here? Yes. Please, ma'am.
Yeah, turn the light on.
Thank you so much. The life jackets are already in the
Yep.
closet. As
In the
well, you
closet right
have
here?
your life jacket.
Okay.
Life jacket in the closet and also the safe.
Okay.
They're very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 pound to close. 1, 2, 3, 4 pound to open.
Okay.
Have dryer in the drawer.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so we got to go find our mustard, B19. So we're going down deck 4. We're here. We're going to go down to deck 4 and find our muster, B19. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, this is a little bit different than on the Adventure of the Seas, as Karen and I have to actually wear masks on this cruise while indoors. This is part of the CDC guidelines, and again, with this being a test cruise, I wonder if we're supposed to go down those stairs. See, this is why you muster ahead of time so you don't get lost. But with this being a test cruise, we have to wear masks indoors. So what does that mean? Pool deck for us. A lot of pool deck. We're in our cabin. After we walked down the stairs from our cabin in 6362 on deck 6 down to deck 4, we found our muster station of B19. So you just have to check in there after you follow all the other procedures on the app. And once they go through the safety briefing with you, you're issued a sticker to put on your sail and sign card so that you have it for the rest of the cruise. If you want to see the whole muster drill, go ahead and click on this link right here, and we would be happy to show you the whole muster drill and the whole process we took to get there. Thanks, guys. After we completed our muster drill, we went down and we were kind of hungry, so we went to the Windjammer Marketplace, checked in, and went and had lunch. Here's a video of us having to wash our hands right at check-in, and then a great tour of all the food that they had to offer on this buffet. Nobody in the Windjammer.
Hi, welcome on board.
Hey guys.
How are you doing?
Good, so good to see you guys. Oh, food.
Please allow my colleagues to serve you.
I'll come right back. I'll come right back.
Alright, no problem. You want to go around
I want
and
to
come
get the
back.
thing. I gotta see what I want first, you know.
no problem.
Little salad, little honey.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Like some mixed potatoes?
Yes, I'm in.
Like some dressing?
Mustard mayo. Look
thank
at
you.
that. What's up, guys?
Welcome on board. Welcome to Windjammer.
Hello.
Let me allow to
Hey,
serve
bye.
you.
Oh, you got good stuff too. Oh, the good beef. Hey guys.
Hi.
Good stuff.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Welcome to Windjammer.
Hello. Oh yeah, look at that. Juicy burger.
See? Juicy burger.
Good, how are you? Oh, the pasta station. Yeah, man.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, hey,
You're the
Hi.
big lady.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Windjammer.
Hey,
Please allow me to serve you, sir.
Lobster.
And some shrimp too, please.
Oh.
Yes, please.
Oh boy, good stuff, guys.
Welcome. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hey guys.
that. Oh, this is the best table yet, right here. Look at all that. Look at that. Yeah, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back on board, sir. So excited. Or something.
I can't believe how empty this ship is.
Yeah.
600 passengers on here.
20 people on the promenade right now.
This is just crazy. Nobody on the promenade. So maybe we can actually get a seat and a drink.
Oh, we're getting a drink.
Yeah, we'll go try this place out right here.
There we go. Ale and anchor.
Cheers.
Cheers, babe.
Where are we? We're on
Ale and anchor.
We're at the Ale and Anchor. I just can't believe how dead it is on this ship.
There's nobody here. I mean, I can see 4 people.
Yep.
4.
Less than 600 people on the ship. Dinner was great.
Yeah.
The prime rib,
Salmon.
salmon, and we had what else did you have? Soup?
I had the butternut squash soup and the shrimp cocktail and some veggies. It was really good.
I got what I do. I didn't take a picture of the crab cake. Got that. We got French onion soup. We got prime rib.
Oh, and a salad.
Oh, and a salad. Got to be healthy on a cruise. Had the Caesar salad. It was all very good. And so now we're here. I want to keep saying Duck and Dog.
It's not Duck and
That's
Dog. Wrong ship. Ale and Anchor.
Ale and Anchor. Our man Courtney's taking care of us tonight. And so we got little Zacapa rum.
First evening cocktail.
Up next is, what are we doing next? Ice skating.
Ice skating show at 8 o'clock.
We're doing ice skating next. So
Yep.
hope you stick around to watch that. So cheers, y'all.
Cheers. Okay, actually.
Okay, so
Yes.
stopped at guest services on the way to Studio B to see the ice show. Ice show was great. Had a good time there. It was really cool. It was good genre of music.
Yes. They did such a great job. It will never cease to amaze me what those ice skaters can do on that little tiny piece of ice. It's phenomenal.
And a moving ship.
Oh yeah, and the ship's moving too, don't forget that.
We're on deck 14 right now, and I can kind of, it feels like we're on a cruise.
Finally.
So, but we stopped at guest services on the way there, and first count we'd heard was about 600 folks on the on the ship. And we ran into several people, man. When we're people watching, there's no people to watch. And so guest services, we stopped by there, talked to the gal. I got within her 6-foot bubble. My bad. She jumps out of the way and says that there's close to 500. So I don't know if that's
There were a lot of
501
no-shows.
or 498.
Yeah,
I don't know. But
there were a lot of no-shows.
so it is definitely an empty ship. So almost 15% capacity right now.
That's right about it.
So it's pretty cool for us because we got the whole ship to ourselves. We came up here after the show. I mean, the show was great. Did all that. So now we're up here at, where are we? Crown and Anchor or what are they called?
Viking Crown.
Viking Crown. So we're up here and we thought they were closed, and no, we're the only ones here.
But they were so excited to see us because no one's come up.
Yeah. So ship's wide open. People are not. It was a great day. So we're on our nightcap. I've got me Sambuca. Love it. It's got the, look at that. Got the coffee beans in it. It's awesome. What do you got?
I have a margarita.
You got the margarita.
Yes.
So as always, thank you again for watching the channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. And we'll have more for you in the coming days.
So
Cheers to our first night on the ship.
Cruising's back. Cheers to y'all. Thanks for watching.